Hello everyone. Greetings from IIT Bombay Remote Center, Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore. Thank you for showing interest on self-learning using spoken tutorial. Now I will give you a step-by-step assistance to download the learning material from spoken tutorial portal. So I request participant to open any browser. Now I open Google Chrome and I will search for spoken tutorial. Where you can able to find a link called CD content creation. You just click CD content creation. It will enter into spoken tutorial website. So under CD content creation, you can able to find FOSS category, that is free open source software category, and there is a drop down. You just click over the drop down. You can able to find lot of softwares, free open source software available, and in that you can choose any open source software and you can start learning it. So now I choose Python 3.4.3 and it will ask for the level. As a beginner you can start with basic and you can move on to intermediate and to the advanced. For better I will choose all. So I am going to explore all the videos and it will ask for the language. You can choose your preferable language. And now I choose English and you can just click add, select FOSS. Then you can able to find the size of the file, that is the zip file that is going to download, and just click over create zip file. Maybe it takes some time, it depends upon the internet bandwidth. You do not refresh the page. It may take some time to get the link to get download. So now you can move your mouse pointer over, click here and you just click over it and the file is getting downloading here. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I will just cancel this and I will go to the downloaded material. This is what actually downloaded. It is zip file and you can right click over it and you can extract file, and I have already extracted. So I will just open this folder and you can able to see another within you can able to see a folder name called spoken. You just get into the spoken folder. Can you able to see the file name called index, a Chrome file? You just double click over this Chrome file. Now it get back to the same spoken tutorial website, and here you have to choose your FOSS category, that is nothing but Python 3.4.3, and your language, the preferable language English, and you can just click submit. When you click submit, you can find all the materials related to the Python 3.4.3 courses, and it starts with the basic and move on to the intermediate and then to the advanced. So totally you have 39 videos. Maybe each videos can be 15 to 20 minutes, and you have to explore all these 39 videos to take up the certification test. So this is how you can download your material from the spoken tutorial portal, and I hope everyone have understood the procedure to download the material from spoken tutorial portal. And for your information, no logins are required for downloading the learning material from spoken tutorial portal. Logins are required only for certification test. So thank you all. Kindly comment your query. We will help you. Happy learning.